Unger, and I teach. That's primarily what I do. I travel around the country, and I teach about time management. I teach about law practice management topics, knowledge management, and document management. I am as old as dirt. So I have been with the company since the inception. So I've been around here a long time. I love to help people with time management in particular. And the primary reason for that is because it relieves stress and burden and anxiety. And if I can help them relieve that burden and relieve the monkey off their back, that's what I want to do. Lawyers tend to have anxiety, or not hate, but we'll just say have stress when dealing with law practice management and technology. And we speak both languages. So I think we bring comfort to our clients because we understand what they do. You know, I love hearing a client say, that saves me so much time. And that gives me more time for my family, or it gives me more time to do my best work. But that's, if there was a goal like of a response that I would want to get from a client, that's it. Like, that brings me so much joy. I'm Paul, and I can't wait to work with you.